What's up, the Chief? Today we're going over Safe Life Defense's bundles, the complete body armor bundle and also the essential tactical bundle. Now, if you're new to body armor, if you are in the market for body armor, if you're just like a civilian and you don't know anything about body armor, but you want the ultimate protection for yourself and your family members, these are the bundles right here, and I'm going to go over it with you. So, like I said, if you're new to body armor, I'll take it slow. We'll go over everything inside of these bundles. So, first thing, most important thing, the body armor panels. You're going to get two. You're going to get one for the front. You're going to get one for the back. These are level 3A plus body armor panels. Now, they're going to give you your strike, slash, and stab resist and a level 1 stab rating. So, if you guys haven't watched my video where I'm out in the desert in Las Vegas, where I beat the crap out of these panels, and I could not get through them. Ice picks, sog knives, you name it. I tried it with the knife, but I bought out something special. A 5-pound, perfectly balanced pickaxe. And I still could not defeat this body armor. So it has been proven by myself and many others out there that there is not a knife on this planet that could get through this level 3A plus body armor. Also, too, you're going to get level 4 in conjunction with rifle plates. You're going to get two of these. It's a set. You can put one in the front. You can put one in the back. There is no, like I said, there's no front and back. They're both cut the same exact way. If you don't know what level 4 in conjunction with, that means that they are not meant to be worn alone. Now, why is that? Why are they not being worn alone? So, I've shot these many times. I've never, ever, what they're rated for, had a bullet come through it or fragments come out the back. The ceramic inside of these rifle plates will break the bullets into small, tiny fragments. That is where the level 3 body armor will come into play, and it will stop those fragments. So, 2 level 4 in conjunction with rifle plates. Then you're going to get a concealable carrier. This comes in 3 different colors. Now, as you can see, it's very smooth. There's a reason for it. Now, you want this when it's under your clothing to lay nice and flat on it, so there's no ripples on it, and it looks really clean, doesn't look like you have body armor. With the level 3A plus body armor panels inside of this, it's going to look very, very nice. Also, too, is you see a slot up on top. The slot is in the front and the back. What is that slot for? Well, that slot is for you to put your level 4 in conjunction with rifle plates inside this carrier. So all you're going to do is open up that slot. When you have your body armor panels in there, your level 3A plus body armor, you're going to slide your rifle plates in there. See how nice that goes? Now you just went from level 3A plus to level 4 in conjunction with that fast. You went from handgun protection, shotgun protection, to rifle protection just by adding those rifle plates. That all comes in the complete bundle. Then you're going to get our tactical multi-threat carrier. Now, you can make these cool patches, so when you go online, you go drop down, you put, for a small extra charge, you can make any type of patch you want, your department patch on there. This is what mine looks like, this is what I wear. So, this is the tactical multi-threat carrier. It comes in 4 different colors. Our coyote, our black, our navy blue, and our OD green. This is the OD green right here. So, I wanted to show you guys what everything on here, because people say, well, how easy is it to switch out the body armor panels? Do I have to take off all my gear? Well, you have to take all your gear off to wash it. You should be washing it, often. But if you're just going to switch out your body armor panels into your concealable carrier, do I have to take all this stuff off? No, you don't. It's very simple to take off, and I have a video on there, but I'll show you guys really fast how easy it is to remove your panels. So all you're going to do is, what I do is I bend the wings on both sides. Grab in there, bend it. It's gonna sit like that. Bend the other side. All right. Pull on the bottom and slide it right out. And that goes for this is the front panel. Goes same thing for the back panel. Put it back in. Bend both sides. Like to hold it like this. Open it up. Slide it in. Slide it all the way in there before it goes to the top. All right. Keep it straight. Pull the bottom out. Push the wings down on the side. On both sides. And that is it. Would that take me? About 20 seconds. That's for both. That's how easy it is to switch out the panels from your tactical carrier to your concealable carrier. So, let's take the rifle plates off the table. All right, because we're going to talk about the tactical bundle. All right, take the rifle plates off the table. Now, this complete bundle with the rifle plates is $999. Anything over $500 with Safe Flight Defense, you're going to get free shipping. Use my code the Chief, DACHIEF. You get additional 10% off this $999 bundle. So let's talk about the tactical bundle. All right, so we're going to add the belts. All right, so you're going to have the Molly on there. These come with a lifetime warranty for a reason, because they are well built. They are built right here. Well, not where I'm at. I'm in Chicago, but they are built right here in the USA in our Las Vegas warehouse. Yes, there are people on a sewing machine stitching all of this American made right here in the USA. These belts are made here. So you're gonna get a belt, pick your color, pick your size, your concealable carrier, tactical multi-thread carrier, and your level 3A plus body armor panels. If you have any questions, if you need assistance with sizing, if you need anything in general, call our number at the bottom. Safe Flight Defense customer service reps will help you out. They are properly trained on how to go over any situation that you need that comes up. If you have a sizing issue, if you have a warranty issue, if you have a return, they will help you out. If you need additional, if you work for a department, shoot me an email. Paul at Safe Flight Defense. I will help you out personally. I will get right back. You guys all know who've dealt with me before. I get back really, really quick. So use my code the Chief, DACHIEF, get you 10% off. This tactical bundle right here is $765, 10% off, plus free shipping. Go check them out. I hope I helped you guys out. I hope I answered majority of your questions that you have. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to shoot me an email. God bless and stay safe, people.